for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, it has been 21 full days since I've been on my keto journey, and 7 days since I have been dairy-free. Yay! And honestly, how do I feel? Amazing! I feel so good that I can almost kick myself for continually to eat dairy for those 2 weeks, because I literally felt so horrible I felt so horrible on those 2 weeks, where it's such a fragile period I was on, like doing something different, and then I felt horrible on top of it. Like, honestly, I am really impressed that I did not just give in to something that was like something in high carbohydrates and totally like binge out on something because I was feeling so crappy. Because normally what happens when I'm feeling crappy, I decide to feel crappier by eating more garbage. So I did really great, and like I said, keeping to the 1,700 calorie amount, I really feel super keeps me in check, because I know it's enough calories and I know what I'm eating. And if I have a feeling of like wanting to have fruit or something crunchy, I just tell myself, Carly, I've had all my calories and I should be great, and I really am. It's just like my mind telling me that I want more to eat, because normally at night is when I eat all the fruits and carbohydrates that I would normally want in my life. I mentioned in the last video that I was going to be incorporating this coming week, an intermittent fasting, or just doing a fasting day. So I have decided, since I've done intermittent fasting before, I'm gonna do, I think maybe do like 2 days of intermittent fasting. So with the intermittent fasting, that would mean for me going 18 hours without food, and then 6 hours of the food window, in which in that you're technically supposed to eat all of your calories in that 6-hour time frame. So I'm definitely gonna do that this coming week and see how I feel. Maybe the following week I'll try one of the fasting days, and I believe with the fasting days you can do it a couple different ways. I'm gonna like look into it to see if I'm gonna do like a full day of not eating, or if I'm actually gonna do something where it's like a really big window, where it's like I go 22 hours without eating and just eat one meal. There's so many different things to do, and that's what I love about fitness and what I love about health and whatnot, is that for the fact of there's so many different things you can do, and it's just about catering it to how you feel and how it works for you, because everything is personalized. As I've always said, everyone has their own book of information. So what may work for me may not work for you, and vice versa. So with the natural, like I always say, do not, get too caught up with what someone's saying. You have to do this, you have to do that, you should do this. Like, do what you feel and maybe try it out, and then don't put any sort of attachment on it working or not working. Like, just let it be and like listen to your body, because your body's gonna tell you everything that you need to know at all times. Trust yourself and trust the process. I'm really excited for this coming week and like trying something different. I'm so happy that I'm feeling more like myself. I'm really always curious about how you're doing on your journey. I have heard a couple of you also doing something either for 100 days or of course doing something like keto. Like, let's all share our amazing knowledge and empower each other to have the best year of our lives this year. And why not feel good in time for summer. I'm looking forward to this week of eating the exact amount of food that I've been eating as last week, and then also incorporating 1 or 2 days of the intermittent fasting. And I want to thank you all for leaving me a comment down below and for watching. Let's all empower each other to be the best that we can be. Like, let's make this year our best year ever, because when we are feeling our best, we're not only doing ourselves a favor, but the entire world a favor. So let's radiate with the abundant positivity that we have to create. So I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.